In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add date fields to a document in DocuSign quickly and correctly. Whether you've already sent the document or you're preparing it for signatures, adding a date field ensures that everything is properly tracked and legally clear. This is especially important for contracts, agreements, and approval documents where the signing date matters. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along without any confusion. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical DocuSign tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the Agreements section. This is where you'll see all the envelopes and documents you've sent or are currently managing. From here, locate the document that you want to add a date field to. Click on the specific document to open its details page. Now, if the document has already been sent and you realize you forgot to add a date field, don't worry. DocuSign allows you to make corrections before the signing process is completed. On the document details page, look toward the top right area and click on the three dots, which open the additional options menu. From that drop-down menu, select Correct. This option allows you to modify the envelope without canceling it entirely. After clicking Correct, DocuSign will reload the document and give you access to editing options. You may be prompted to confirm that you want to make changes. Go ahead and confirm so you can proceed. Once you're inside the correction mode, click on Next, Add Fields. This will take you to the document preparation screen where you can add or adjust fields for each recipient. Now you'll see the document preview in the center of the screen and a panel of field options usually on the left-hand side. These fields include signature, initials, text fields, checkboxes, and most importantly for this tutorial, the date signed field. To add a date field, simply locate date signed in the field list. Click on it, then drag and drop it onto the area of the document where you want the date to appear. Make sure you place it in the correct position, typically near the signature field, so it clearly matches the signer's signature. After placing the field, double-check that it's assigned to the correct recipient. This is very important. If the wrong signer is assigned, the date field won't function properly for the intended person. You can verify this by selecting the field and checking the recipient assignment in the settings panel. If needed, switch it to the correct signer. The date sign field automatically captures the date when the recipient completes their signature. You don't need to manually format anything as DocuSign handles the date formatting based on your account settings. Once you're satisfied with the placement and assignment, click Next to continue. Then review the updated document one more time to ensure everything looks correct. Finally, click Send to resend the corrected envelope. DocuSign will notify the recipient that the document has been updated, and they'll now see the date field when signing. And that's it. You've successfully added a date field to a document in DocuSign, even after sending it. This simple feature helps maintain compliance, improves clarity, and ensures your agreements are properly documented. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow DocuSign guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.